to. Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a custom feed in Bluesky. To do this, we need to sign up for Bluesky and also for this app called Skyfeed app. Now these two apps are related. So once you have linked up these two websites, you want to go to here and create a new feed. So it will give you a basic template like this. I will be removing these. So first of all, give it a name. Call it feed 1 or something like that. After that, we can add block. And so input, it will allow you to input data from a specific place. So let's say a tag. I want jazz guitar. Doing this, it will find me every post that has been posted in the last 7 days that has a tag jazz. And we can keep doing this. We can remove specific images and posts. We can sort, we can replace. There are many options to do. So yes, once we have created a feed, go into publish feed. We can do that. So this is called feed 1. Once it is published, we can go back to Bluesky and go into our profile and then go on to feeds. Here you will see 2 feeds. This is the one I just created. And you will see jazz guitar. So I hope this video helps. Thank you very much.